That sound? It's the sound of your current printer about to let you down. But what if you never had to deal with jammed pages, faded text, or insane ink costs ever again? Pause. In this video we're cracking open the data, the specs, and the real-world tests to bring you the definitive list of the top 5 laser printers on the planet right now. We've got a shocking number 1 pick that most people ignore, and a budget option that punches way above its weight. And for every model we crown today, the instant purchase links are waiting for you in the video description. Let's find your perfect match. Starting at number 1. Brother MFC-L3780CDW. The Brother MFC-L3780CDW uses LEDs instead of lasers to draw pages on photoelectric material before transferring toner to paper, but it works just like a laser otherwise. More important, its excellent output quality combined with relatively low print costs help it earn top honors for a color laser all-in-one printer for cost-conscious small offices. It also offers typical, which translates to capable, paper handling for both printing and scanning for its price and performance category. Plus, it scores well on image quality for copies, scans, and prints. Print speed. The MFC-L3780CDW lives up to its 31 ppm rating in our testing using a long Word document, which means it is fast for its price class, and has a noticeable advantage over much of its competition for long text documents. On our business applications suite, which includes color output, it was a little slower than comparable models, but much closer to the fastest in the batch than the slowest. Print volume and capacity. Paper handling for printing starts with a 250-sheet tray, plus a 30-page multipurpose tray for printing on a different type or size paper than you normally use. For heavier-duty needs, you can add an optional second tray for a total 500-sheet capacity. If you want to keep refills down to once a week, that translates to 2,000 sheets per month, or close to 4,000 pages if you print mostly in duplex. Number 2. Brother HL-L3295CDW. The Brother HL-L3295CDW is a single-function color laser printer with excellent print quality, moderately fast print speeds, and an impressively low cost per page. It's also the best color laser printer for budget buyers and small and home offices who print a lot, need top-quality color output, and want lots of connection options. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen can feel a bit cramped, but that's a small price to pay for a printer that gets so much else right. Print speed. The HL-L3295CDW held its own for speed among the models we compared it with. For our Word text file, it essentially matched its 31 ppm rating, coming in just a touch faster on our tests, and for our full business applications suite, which adds color output and complex graphics, it delivered the fastest performance for its price class. As is common, however, it slowed down to roughly half speed for printing in duplex, two-sided, managing only 14 images per minute, IPM, with 1 image on each side of each sheet, printing our Word text file. Number 3. Xerox C235. The Xerox C235 is a small AIO color laser printer with superb print quality, an easy-to-use control panel, and a flexible shortcut system for customizing the printer's tasks. With its modest print speeds and moderate workload ratings, the C235 is best suited for workplaces where top-notch print quality is required, but only at moderately heavy output levels. Print speed. When printing our standard 12-page Microsoft Word text document, excluding the first page, we clocked the unit at 13.0 ppm in duplex mode and 24.7 ppm in simplex mode. That simplex result was 0.7 ppm better than its rated speed. The C235 has its strong points, but document print speed isn't one of them. Compared with models with similar features and prices, it would come out somewhere near the middle in overall performance. Number 4. Canon imageClass MF-462DW. The Canon imageClass MF-462DW impressed us when we reviewed it as the no-compromise mono-laser AIO for its category, for not much more money than its competition. It offers fast single-sided printing, hardly slows down for two-sided printing, and delivers top-tier output quality. Even better, its duplexing automatic document feeder, ADF, can keep up with the printer for equally fast copying, and the duplexing works for faxing too, which isn't true of all competitors. It also offers the convenience of a 5-inch touchscreen control panel that, among other talents, can show a QR code to easily bootstrap to a Wi-Fi direct connection from a mobile device. Print speed. The MF462DW was as fast as or faster than most of the competition we compared it with for printing our Word text file. It tied for first page out time, and effectively tied for first for the rest of the file, matching its 37 ppm rating. It was also essentially tied for first for our full business applications suite, which includes files with color graphics. But where the MF462DW really shines is for duplex printing, slowing down far less than typical for printing on both sides of each page. In our test, it maintained a solid 33 images per minute IPM, with one image on each side of the page. Number 5. Brother MFC-L5915DW. The 4-function Brother MFC-L5915DW all-in-one, AAIO, printer is an economical choice for fast, high-volume printing, further boosted by the convenience of having a high maximum paper capacity. Its fast laser printing and copying is paired with a low enough cost per page that, compared with less expensive printers with lower capacities, slower speeds, and higher running cost, it can save you more than enough money over its lifetime to pay for its extra cost when you buy it. Print speed. For simplex, one-sided printing, the MFC-L5915DW is faster than comparable models across the board, matching its 50 ppm rating on our Word text file, and also coming in first for our business suite, which includes files with color graphics. For duplex, two-sided printing, the MFC-L5915DW doesn't maintain its first-place status. However, it managed 27 images per minute IPM on our Word text file, which still counts as a fast clip. If many of the documents you print are simplex and 100 pages or longer, the speed counts as a significant advantage. And that's the clean, smudge-free truth. Whether you're running a business or just tired of printer drama, one of these 5 is your solution. Your journey to a stress-free home office starts now. All the links to check prices and specs for yourself are in the description below. If this guide saved you time, money, and future headaches, do us a huge favor, hit that like button, share this with a friend who's constantly complaining about their printer, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews that actually help you decide. Until next time, happy printing!